back to another episode of Ignited Garage. On this episode, I'm gonna show you guys how to convert this LS or LM7, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm gonna take the oil pan off. I know you guys can barely see it because the lighting in here is garbage, but this oil pan, the pickup tube's at the back, right there. And on these cars, the 240, you need to run the GTO oil pan. So what I'm gonna do right now is get my drain plug, or get the drain plug out, drain the oil out of the LM7, and then I'm gonna wait for my buddy Dan to show up because he's gonna help me do the rest of the stuff because I can't do nothing. So I will pick it up in a few minutes once I start draining the oil. Alright guys, sorry about the horrible lighting, but in order for you to do this, you gotta take this out. It's a 15 actually, it is the 15. By the sounds of it, it's never been released. And I'm scared I'm gonna get oil all over the place, so I'm gonna put the camera right there. Exactly, that's what it's gonna do. So I'm gonna hold the pan up. Okay, there we go. That's actually clean. Right, I don't see any metal flakes in it whatsoever, guys. I don't know if you can see, but there's no metal flakes in it, which is good. And that's all I can do for right now. Alright guys, so now that the oil's all drained out, as you can see, there's nothing coming out. I'm going to undo the bolts. One here, one there, there's one right there. He's already taken out, one there. Right there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, there's 5 on each side, 2 on the back. So now I gotta wait for my buddy to get here. I've already taken some out with the impact gun because it doesn't hurt my left arm. So do that, drop the pan, and then yeah.
We're getting half a pan, not the full pan in.
Okay, so me being a I didn't flip over the engine. My buddy Dan here, who's gonna help me work on it, flipped it over, and I'm sitting there going, well, why didn't I do that before?
It does make it a lot easier.
It does, but I got one arm, so like I said, we're gonna undo the bolts here. Bunch of them all along here. I might have to somehow take the. Will we have to?
Well, we're gonna have to move these, I believe, because that's part of the pan that you're bolted into right now.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to change those.
Alright, well I guess we're gonna have to do that and then I'll be right back, guys. So we ended up getting the oil pan off. Got the new pickup and the new oil pan right there. We're gonna clean up the seal all the way around here, and then we're gonna put the new pan on.
Once you find your whack-ometer.
Once I find the hammer.
Whack-ometer!
The hammer!
Oh, whack-ometer.
So we ended up getting the oil pan off. The old one, which is right there. And then we got the nice new GTO oil pan. The next thing I had to figure out is the oil filter. Yeah, should be good. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 here.
14, 7, 45.
54! Oh, But after that, that's it for this video. And then the next one, we're going to mock up the motor mount. So, yeah.
That was it?
Nice and clean. And then we're just setting them on there for right now. Just because I need to get a gasket maker. Because the stuff I got is no good.
Drier than a popcorn fart. That's what that is. It's drier than a popcorn fart, dude. It's not no good.
It's no good, so I'm gonna end this video here. Oh, hold on, where's my light? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to check out the next video.